Hello, students of Intermediate Plus 2 Core and Elective English. Today I am telling you about notes making. Notes making is an art and it requires a lot of skill. Notes present a lot of knowledge in a brief form. One reading of textbooks or for that matter any other book is okay, but second reading is frightening. If you have prepared notes on and of various chapters, you are saved from the monotony of second or third reading. Books are in your hands in their mini forms. Turn the pages, scan the notes made. The whole chapter flashes before your eyes and you remember what you have read long ago. So notes prepared equip you for the examination in the best possible manner. Our little head cannot retain forever what we read, learn and are taught. Even if you are very sharp, you fail to recollect all details. You consult many books, but your curiosity to find the right answer remains insatiated. Your teacher might have passed the information on to you after consulting a number of books. It is well nigh impossible for you to find all those reference books, nor do you have the time. Then only one thing can stand you in good state, and that is notes. Note making means penning down important and useful hints for ready reference. Notes are for guidance and you can pen them down in your own language to be easily followed and understood. Your notes must carry the exact and intended meaning of the passage. Notes prepared casually may not present a coherent picture, so you should read between the lines. Characteristics of good notes. First, they should be brief to the point. They contain only the relevant facts. Second point. Third point, words and phrases are employed. Full sentences are not needed. Grammar and style are not bothered. Fourth number, information is logically present under relevant headings and subheadings. The division may be main sentence 1, 2, 3. Main sections 1, 2, 3, subsections A, B, C, subsections 1, 2, 3, or the method commonly used, decimal system. Main sections 1, 2, 3, subsections 1, 1, the 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, subsections 1.1.1, 1.1.2, 1.1.3. Fifth number is abbreviation and symbols are lavishly used for economy of words. Groups of abbreviations. First, capitalized initial letters, as for example U capital dot O capital. UNO, U capital, N capital, O capital, for United Nations Organization. P dot T dot I capital, for Press Trust of India. The second point is the first few letters of a word and the last ones are taken to frame abbreviation, as for example info means for information, divs for divisions, Aug for August, HR for hour, etc. The first few and the last few letters of a word with an apostrophe is in between are taken to form abbreviations. Can't for cannot, etc. Sixth point is avoid confusing and ambiguous abbreviation. And second point is for your personal notes you can use own abbreviation, but they must be clear enough to be deciphered easily. This EZ means, for example, I.G, that is, and extra. And so this is the end of this notes making. I will try for the next chapter next time.